एडवांस हेयर स्टूडियो इसलिए आई हूँ बिकॉज़ मैं एक एथलीट हूँ। मेरा रोज़ 3-4 घंटे का वर्कआउट होता है। वर्कआउट की वजह से मुझे स्कैल्प इशू इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा था। सो बिकॉज ऑफ माई हेयर लॉस सिंस 2 years, I have been through a lot of doctors, but I was not getting any result. Then one of my friends, she have recommended me this place, the world largest advanced hair studio. So it's been 7-8 months I'm taking this laser therapy and I have got wonderful results. I have been trying so many doctors and dermas and shampoos, conditioners and lot of things, but I haven't got any result. But by coming here and taking this laser therapy, I just love the result and now my hairs are looking so good, so pretty. Plus here, I love the services, the people over here, the hospitality, the atmosphere, the interior. You should definitely try this and you're going to love it. Thank you.